Good morning, welcome to another getaway adventure video. My name is Allison.
And I'm Austin. Good morning.
We've been up since 6:30 and I'm tired.
And it's Sunday, so it's our day off. Cut us some slack. But we're gonna go rent out some bicycles.
Oh my god, the camera. Yeah, we're gonna
Let's
go.
get going.
Oh, right. Okay. Alright. How rude. That was an abrupt ending, but why are we here?
We're here to rent out bicycles for Pivot through the Path bike shop. We're in Tustin. I got the sweatshirt for free. I don't even own a Pivot yet, so cut me some slack.
Yet. Alright. We got the bikes.
Now we're just trying to figure out how to park. I'm feeling a little in over my head here. It says parking full and we're no parking. Yeah. Everyone's walking in, so this is gonna be a fiasco.
We're going to a park called Santiago Oaks. They recommended it here down in Tustin. However, it looks like this place is packed. It's pretty though. There's like a ranch down here.
Yeah, it's really pretty down here. Wow.
I do have to say, from a photographer's standpoint, this place is pretty.
Pretty. Oh, I thought you were saying pretty like an adjective or a descriptive word, but you meant
Pretty.
Yeah, like it's beautiful. Yeah.
All right, we are demoing Pivot Trailcat LT. Extra small for me. This is the Trailcat LT, right?
That's the SL.
Just kidding.
This is the LT.
Okay, we're going. Okay.
What we need to do now is get focused and stop pointing fingers. You're a problem. You're a real problem.
Today I am demoing the Pivot Trailcat SL. Austin's demoing the LT Trailcat. Matching bikes, different frame. This is an extra small. Austin's is going to be a small, actually, because they're out of mediums. Now I'm good.
This bike climbs so much nicer than my big old enduro bike. Still got big tires on it. It's way better.
Oh. Thanks. Good. Yeah. I think so. Yeah, we're not doing that.
Meanwhile.
Yay! Flattened out. Oh, Allison's coming. We're gonna lift our seat just a smidge. Seat's not high enough.
Yours?
Yeah, oh, I think this is as high as I could get it.
There's ladders.
I just lifted the seat as high as it would go. Ready? That's a little better. I feel like I need a longer dropper. Note to self, if I get a size small, get a longer dropper. Oh. We lost Allison. Need a break? Besides the pedaling, how does the extra small feel?
Small.
Small? Bad small or just small?
I think I'm a small. I'm so used to riding a bigger bike.
Yeah, that's true. Because that means you'd be riding this. This is a small. And I actually don't think it's terrible. Needs a longer dropper post, but I don't hate this. I like that my arms aren't straight. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, sorry. Thank you. I was trying to get away.
Dude?
Hey, how you guys doing?
Good, how are you, man?
Good.
How you liking it?
Oh, it's amazing.
Dude, awesome.
It's super efficient, which is so much fun.
Yeah.
Have fun, buddy. It's all been climbing, 35 minutes of climbing. A lot of people on these trails though. Reminds me of Chin Hills State Park. Thank you. Okay, this is called Waterfall. Oh, wow. Like just eats it right up. Got it out. Sick. I was so sick. I'm so glad I went that way. I took it like a champ. Hey, buddy. That was so dope. Oh, man. I want to do that again. Man, this bike took it like a champ. I never felt, and I know I went down it slow, but still. They ate all the rocks, the bunny hops, all of it. That was sick. I bet you if I pushed it harder, maybe. But I wasn't really in a place to push harder.
Alright, how was it?
It was amazing. It was great. It was phenomenal. It was the best. Sorry. We had a really nice time. Never ridden at Santiago Oaks. We only rode 3 miles. I was so shocked when I read that. But it's like
But
this.
a lot of it was elevation climb.
Yeah. I rode a trail called Waterfall. That was sick. I didn't like set any records, but it was cool. And I thought the bike did amazing. I love pivots. I love the way they ride. I'm so into them. I just am not fully in that tax bracket yet. They're very expensive, but they're phenomenal. So I'm working on that. In the meantime, we demo them, but we had a great time. We're gonna go get some ramen. I'm over here rambling. And we'll kind of go from there. But we're in the old stomping grounds, Chino Hills.
Austin just digging it.
He's hungry.
Sorry. The Graham didn't eat first, I did.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.